of Asher. Asher was the son of Jacob and Zillah. He was born in the land of Hiram, and later moved to Padanaram in the land of Babylon. He sojourned out of the land of Babylon with his father and their household unto the land of Canaan. And they sojourned out of the land of Canaan unto the land of Egypt. And then he dwelt with his father and their family there in Egypt, and they prospered. And he also sojourned out of the land of Egypt into the wilderness with their family. And before his father died, his father blessed him. Jacob said unto Asher, Thou shalt make bread and yield royal dainties. And while he was in the wilderness, Moses blessed him. Moses blessed Asher and said, Asher shall dip his feet in oil, and Asher shall wear iron shoes. And he prayed a prayer for Asher. Moses said, Let Asher be accepted among his brothers. Let Asher have children. After Moses died, and Caleb and Joshua led them out of the land, out of the wilderness, Asher was the father of children. Isu, Beriah, and a daughter, Serah. And Asher prospered and was blessed in the land of Canaan. And when Isaiah prophesied unto the tribes of Israel, he said, the breaches, those that dwell in the breaches, in the region of Zebulun and Naphtali, that sat in gloom and deep darkness and the shadow of death, light was shining on them. And when Jesus walked the seashore among the Asherites, they were blessed. They dwelt at that time in breaches along the seashore. And when the multitude that followed Jesus, the Asherites, they were bakers. And they baked the bread and the royal dainties that was served to the multitudes of people that followed Jesus in the border of Zebulun and Naphtali. The Asherites was a blessed people after all. Amen.